Hello, my name is Latoya Davis, and I am reporting my results from the philosophical questionnaire assigned in EDOL 700 Transformational Leadership. And surprisingly, I scored the highest in pragmatic operating philosophy. I thought that I would score really high in human operating philosophy because I love people, I love investing and pouring into people. And I love watching people just reach their highest potential. But after reading the pragmatic operating philosophy details, this is totally me. I am all about cause and effect. I'm a very realistic person. I like to know exactly what I'm aiming for, why am I doing this activity, why I'm engaging in this activity. So I'm a very structured person. I like to know what the result what the result will be. How will we get there and why are we doing it? I'm huge on the why. And then when I look at my top five values, it's spirituality, it's wisdom, it's contribution to others, it's financial security, um, it's self-reliance. So I think all of those tie in. When I look at wisdom, uh, I feel like wisdom kind of helps you realize the why you're doing something and to look at the end result to the actions that we're taking. I think my contribution to others, it's not just random, it's always intention there. I want to contribute to you because this is the end result that I want to see. I want to see people achieve, especially young people. And you know, financial security, yes. But when I also was reading under the pragmatic operating philosophy, money is not the end all to be all. It is a means, it is a source, but it's not everything. And that's why I said, okay, this is totally me. It aligns up with my top five values. And I'm okay with that. I'm all about cause and effect, where I'm going, why I'm doing what I'm doing. So this questionnaire was very helpful for me. Thank you.